In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bill in Xero. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one business. Starting in the right place helps avoid entering bills into the wrong file. Next, create a new bill. To do that, click the New button, usually shown with a plus symbol, and then select Bill. This opens the bill entry screen where you'll enter all the details for the purchase. Now, choose the supplier. In the From field, begin typing the supplier's name and select it from the list if it already exists. If not, you can enter it as a new contact. This step is important because it links the bill to the correct vendor and keeps your records organized. After that, enter the bill details. Add the bill date, the due date, and a reference if one is needed. The bill date is usually the date shown on the supplier's invoice, while the due date tells Xero when payment is expected. The reference field can be useful for an invoice number or another identifier that helps with tracking. If the supplier charges in a different currency, this is the point where you select the bill currency. If your business only works in one currency, you may not need to change anything here. Just make sure the currency matches the supplier's invoice so your totals are accurate. Now you're ready to add the bill line items. Click Add a new line and enter the item or service being billed. This is where you describe what was purchased, so try to keep the wording clear and specific enough that someone reviewing the bill later will understand it. Then fill in the rest of the cost information for each line. Enter the description, quantity, unit price, account, and tax rate. The account you choose determines where the expense will appear in your books, so it's worth selecting carefully. The tax rate should also match the supplier invoice and your business tax settings. Once all the lines are entered, review the bill total. Check the subtotal, the tax amount, and the overall total to make sure everything matches the original invoice. A quick review here can help catch data entry mistakes before the bill is saved. When everything looks right, choose whether to save or approve the bill. Click Save if you want to keep it as a draft and return to it later, or click Approve if it's complete and ready to be processed. Finally, go to Bills to Pay, open the bill you just entered, and confirm that all the details are correct. This final check helps make sure your records are accurate and the bill is ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.